This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, thanks for watching today. I'm in the studio and I'm talking with Dr. George Alsina from Port City Neurosurgery and Spine. Always good to see you, Dr. Alsina.
It's nice to be here, Megan. How are you doing?
Doing well, thanks. I know we've talked about this topic before, but I think it needs to be, reiterated that there are options for folks who are suffering with back problems now, and they're minimally invasive is the term you've used.
Back, not just the low back, but also the neck or the cervical spine. And minimally invasive is a phrase that used, and actually what's really the point is maximally effective. And it has changed. These aren't your dad's spine operations from all those years ago. And so these are smaller incisions, less disruptive of soft tissue, less blood loss, less time in the hospital, less pain, and a faster recovery and a quicker return to function and to the things you love to do.
And that whole quicker recovery, I think that's, one of the most important parts to it.
It makes a big difference in how people do in the long term. It's helpful with the new technologies, even the cutting edge, the robotics that we're using now. It just helps the precision and, again, minimize the amount of tissue disruption that we have to do to get to the root of the problem and fix the problem.
All right, well, if people are having these problems, it starts with their primary care physician.
That's usually the best place to start for an evaluation and a workup. Talk to your primary care doctor and get started there. And it's also important just to remember to be active.
Okay, all right. And you can find out more about all of these spine procedures by checking out their website, and that's portcityspine.com.
This has been a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.